Imagine owning a Faceless Bible Prayer YouTube channel where all you do is to share 5-minute prayer videos and still make money online. Sounds incredible, right? Well, stick with me because in this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create Faceless Bible Prayer channel using AI tools. Not only that, but I will also prove that these channels can be monetized on YouTube with real practical examples. And the best part is you can set it all up in just a minute.
We come before you tonight with hearts full of gratitude. Thank you for the blessings of this day, for the strength to face challenges, and for the joys you have provided. We acknowledge your presence in every moment and give you all the glory. As we prepare to rest, we ask for your peace to surround us. You are our refuge and our protector, Lord, and we trust in your promises. Your word says in Psalm 4:8, "In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety." Let these words be the comfort of our souls tonight.
To get started, open to the YouTube homepage and type Bible Prayer in the search bar. Now you see the moment you type Bible Prayer, you have a lot of videos ideas that you can use to generate a video. We are going to click on one of the topics. So let's go with Bible Prayer for sleep. So we're going to tap on that. Now let's scroll down to see. You can see this video was uploaded 3 months ago and it has already generated 2.2 million views. One beautiful thing about Bible Prayer videos is that they are viral videos. They never expired and people keep searching for this kind of videos every day. So you can see this video was uploaded 3 months ago and it has already gotten 2.2 million views. And when you come to the views per hour, we have 529 views per hour. Now when you scroll down, you can also see this video was uploaded 3 years ago. Just imagine 3 years ago, and it has 14 million views and it still have a lot of people watching. So you see we have 202 people watching this video. So this video stand the potential of going viral, and so when you create such a video, you are definitely going to explode on YouTube. Now let's go down and check another one. This is just a 2 minutes video and it was uploaded 8 months ago. We have 134 views per hour and it has already generated over 500k views. This is a proof that this kind of videos stand a chance of going viral. Now the next thing we are going to do is to check whether these channels are actually monetized on YouTube. If indeed it's true that these channels can be monetized on YouTube, then we can go ahead and start creating our own. So now let's go back to the first channel. This is the first channel. We are going to right click on this channel, open in a new tab. So this is a channel and it's actually in Spanish. So we copy the link and use a monetization checker to check whether this channel is monetized on YouTube. So come to your browser, type YT large, open to the YT large. Now click on the monetization checker, paste the channel link here, enter the code in the box 788 and then hit on enter. Let's find out whether this channel is monetized on YouTube. Great. So you can confirm for yourself that this channel is actually monetized on YouTube. The name is in Spanish, but you can see it's monetized on YouTube and the content is perceived as original. Acts are active. It's in the education category. There are no restrictions. When you scroll down, you can see you can also confirm the average RPM, which is $3, and also the average earning per year and per month. You can get all the information concerning the monetization revenue or the revenue information here. You can also scroll down and get other information about this channel. So this is a proof that this channel is monetized on YouTube. Now let's go back to our YouTube homepage again and confirm the other channels that we saw. So let's go back to the homepage. So right click on the channel. Let's go to the channel. You can see on this channel all the videos, almost all the videos that has been uploaded on these channels are short videos. So you can see we have 4 minutes video, 3 minutes video, 4 minutes, 3, 5, 4, 4, 3. You can see all the videos on these channels are short videos and they are easy to create. So I'm going to click on one for you to see how it looks. So you see this is a simple video that you can easily create. See, no fancy images, just one image and then you are good to go. So I'm going to pause this here. We are going to copy the channel link from here like this and go back to T large, paste the link here, then enter the code 795 and hit on the enter button to find out whether this channel too is monetized. So the channel Let's Pray Together is monetized. You can see ads are active on this channel and everything is owned by the channel. When you scroll down, you can also see the average RPM plus the average earning on the channel. So this is a proof that this type of videos can be monetized on YouTube. Since we have gotten a proof that we can monetize these channels on YouTube, the next thing we are going to do is to get our videos ideas. We can do that in two ways. The first way is to come to your YouTube homepage and type Bible prayer. The moment you type Bible prayer, you're going to get a lot of suggestions that you can use to develop a video. So you see we have Bible prayer before sleep, Bible prayer for sleep, Bible prayer in English, Bible prayer verse, Bible prayer morning, Bible prayer journal, Bible prayer music. So you can select any of these topics like this. When you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of videos that have been made based on that. These videos are supposed to give you ideas of what is working. So this video, for example, night prayer before sleep, or fall asleep blessed with this powerful prayer. And you can see this video was uploaded 3 months ago. It has already generated over 400k views, almost 500, and we have 61 views per hour, which is high. We are also going to choose old videos ideas that has about 100 views per hour. So let's scroll down. You can see this video was uploaded 8 months ago, has 136 views per hour, and the title is just simple: a bedtime prayer before sleep. We can copy the topic like this and go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to develop the prayer for you. So let's go to ChatGPT. In the chat box, paste the topic here. So ask ChatGPT to generate this prayer for you. You can paste your topic here and hit on the command button. You can see when I asked ChatGPT to generate a prayer for me, it generated just a short prayer for me. But remember, we are going to use this for a video, so we need a longer script. So ask ChatGPT, generate 5 minutes prayer on this topic for me, and you can enter the prompt here. So hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT to generate that for you. Great. So this is a simple way of generating your video idea and generating the script for the video. The second way to come out with the video idea and the script is by using ChatGPT without going to YouTube homepage. Open a new chat and ask ChatGPT, generate 20 videos ideas for a Faceless Bible prayer channel. So you can see when I asked ChatGPT to generate the videos idea for me, it listed all these ideas with other suggestions that I can use to generate the script. So the next thing I'm going to ask ChatGPT is to generate the prayer for me using one of these topics. So as a beginner, we have 20 ideas that we can start with, and you can create all these videos within a day. So we are going to start with one of these topics. So let's go with the second topic, bedtime prayers for a restful sleep. So we're going to pick this one and ask ChatGPT to generate the script for us. So I'm going to go in with the next prompt. I ask ChatGPT, generate 5 minutes prayer on this topic for me, bedtime prayers for a restful sleep. So before you continue, hit on the like button if you haven't done that, and leave a comment in the comment section for me if you like this video, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed yet to support me on this channel. Let's continue. So I'm going to hit on the command button for ChatGPT to do that for me. So you see, in just some few seconds, ChatGPT has generated the script for me. All I need to do is to start generating my video. So the next step is to generate our voiceover. For the voiceover, we are going to use 11 Labs that will give you a realistic voice. So in your browser, type 11 Labs, hit on the first option, click on the get started for free, sign in with your Gmail or sign up with your account. Now move your cursor to the left and click on voices. Choose one of the voiceover options here. You can go with any voiceover here. Just listen to the voiceover first before you choose. So make sure the voiceover you're going to choose has a calming voice or a soothing voice. Since it is a prayer, we have one for meditation. So let's go with this. Click on the use. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our script like this. Go back to 11 Labs and paste your script here. Now click on the generate button to generate a voiceover. The voiceover has been generated for us. What I'm going to do from here is to click on the download button to download that onto my drive. So the next thing we are going to ask ChatGPT is to give us a prompt to generate an image to use as a background. So you can see ChatGPT has given us the prompt that we can use to generate the background image. So the next thing we're going to do is to use another AI tool to generate the background image. So what we're going to do is to go to the next tab or go to our browser and type Microsoft Designer in the search bar. We're going to choose the first option. Now come to this box or this section and tap into the section or tap into the box and choose images. This is where we are going to paste our prompt or type our prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt. Let's go back to Microsoft Designer, paste the prompt here. Then we are going to reset the size. So bring your cursor here at the right and choose the size button, and then choose one of these aspect ratios. So you can choose a portrait if you are making reels or short, but we are not making reels or shorts, so we are going to use a wide. So click on the wide and hit on the generate button to generate your image. Great, so we have 4 beautiful images that we can use. Let's tap on it and see. We can use the arrow here to forward or to preview the next one. So after previewing your images, you can select any of the images to use. So we are going to go with this one. Hit on the download button and click on the download to download that onto our drive. The next thing you're going to do is to put all the footages together with an editing app of our choice. So with the editing app, we are going to use CapCut to do that. So open to your CapCut and click on create project. Now click on the import button here and import all the footages, including the audio and the image that you generated. So click on the import, select the image and the audio. So we're going to select the image and the audio. Click on the open button and import that to CapCut. So the next thing we're going to do is to add the audio to our timeline. So what we're going to do is to bring our cursor beneath the audio and tap on the plus sign to add it to the track or the timeline. So click on it like this. Now we're going to also add the background image. You can come to the image and click on the plus sign and add the background image. So you can see the image is short, so you're going to bring our cursor here or our pointer here. We are going to drag the image to the end of the audio to match the audio. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add caption to the video. So come to the top here where we have captions and click on the captions. Now bring your cursor here and click on the generate button to generate your captions. Now we have our captions ready. You can try and play to see the format it came with. So the next thing we are going to do is to change the format. Tap on any of these captions or the text and a box will appear at the right side here. Now we are going to increase the font by coming to the font size. Use the button here to drag it to the right, increasing the font. So then when you start dragging it, you see the font size will be changing on the screen. Tap on the text and move your text to the middle. So now click on the bold to make your text bold. Then come to the case and choose any of these case. So we have the uppercase, we have the lower case, we have the title case. So we are going to go with the title case. So tap on the title case and change the case. Now the next we are going to do is to come to the top here where we have the template, bubble and effect. So let's go with the template and choose any of these templates to use. So since we don't want this to be rushing or the text to be rushing on the screen, we are going to choose a template that is quite slow on the screen so that we can be reading along while we listen to the prayers. So let's go with this one. Let's see how it looks first. We are going to go with one of the templates with the background. So let's go with this one. So from here, click on the effect button to add effect to the text. So we are going to choose any of these effects. So we can go with this one. Go ahead and play it to see how it will be looking on the screen. So the next we are going to do is to add a soft background music to our video. So we are going to ask ChatGPT to give us a suggestion or a background music suggestion to use for this video. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT, give me a background music suggestion. So I'm going to click on the command button for ChatGPT to give me suggestions to use for this particular video. So you can see ChatGPT has given me this suggestion. It said for a bedtime prayer video, choose a calming and meditative background music. So we are going to click on the heavenly peace. Then go to your YouTube audio library section to look for this music to use. So we are going to go to the YouTube audio library, click on the audio library button. So we're going to scroll down a bit and click on the audio library here. Now in your YouTube audio library section, bring your cursor here and click on search or filter library. Now choose the search button or click on the search button. Click on it and paste your music title here to search for it. You can go ahead and click on the apply button to search for the music. So we have a couple of suggestions here that we can use for our video. So we're going to choose any of these, but before choosing, just try and listen to it. If it matches your prayer, then you can go for it. So I think I prefer the first dream, so we're going to go with that. Let me first add it to my favorite, and then move your cursor to the right and click on the download button and download that onto your drive. So click on that. Now let's go back to CapCut. Click on the media button, hit on the import button to import the audio that you just downloaded from YouTube audio library to CapCut. So click on the import. This is the music we just downloaded from YouTube audio library, so we can click on that or select that and click on the open button to import that to CapCut. Now we can go ahead and add that to our timeline. So you can see the audio is longer than main video, so we are going to bring our pointer here. So we are going to click on the split button, that's the split button here, or you can use the Ctrl+B to split the captions, the image and the audio on the timeline. Click on the split button to split the text, split the main voiceover, come to the audio and also split that. We are going to delete the excess here. So these are the excess. You can highlight all and delete all. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to reduce the volume of the audio on the track so that it doesn't overshadow the voiceover. So we're going to tap on the audio and then a box will appear on the top right. This is the volume button. We are going to drag this button to the left to reduce the volume of the audio or the background music. So before I export the video, I'm going to add a filter to this image to make it more vibrant. So I'm going to choose this filter. You can try the Gold Coast. I'm going to click on the plus sign and add that to my timeline. So I'm going to drag these from the right to the left or to the end of this video to make sure it applies to the entire video. You can always do this before adding the caption. If you like, you can also add some animations to the video if you want. So now I've finished creating the entire video. The next thing I'm going to do is to hit on the export button and export this video. So you see, this is how you can create a Bible prayer videos and post it on YouTube, monetize it and start making money online. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hit on the export button from here. Now you can rename the file to bedtime video and come to the resolution section. Always go with the highest resolution, so we are going to go with the 4K and then maintain the MP4 format. Come to the frame rate and maintain the 30 frame rate. Now hit on the export button and export this video onto your drive. So you see, amazing thing about CapCut is that as you're exporting the video in a landscape or in the 16:9 aspect ratio, it also automatically generate a video or a portrait video for you that you can upload that on either TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram or any other platform that uses this type of aspect ratio. So you can see it's also generating the same thing here for us. So I hope I've enticed you enough to start a Bible prayer channel anytime soon. So when are you going to give a try? Let me know that in the comment section. If there's something that you want me to talk about or a video that you want me to make, type that in the comment section and I'll make a video purposely for that for you. Like this video if you like it and also share the video with families and friends who needs it. If you have missed the previous video I uploaded on this channel on how to upload or re-upload movies on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok and start making money without having any issue with copyright strike, that video will pop up after watching this video. Click on it and go and watch it. Click on the playlist that will also pop up after watching this video and watch all the videos in that list. If you want to learn more from me, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.